Alright, so here we have the F-91w. I recently did an unboxing of this watch. Clean functionality, like everything about this watch. Super famous watch. Warriors to poets to bad guys have worn this watch. One thing about it is the backlight is absolutely horrible. Really don't like anything about it. So I'm looking at an option here. Let's unbox it really quickly. As you can see, this one has the EO backlight. One thing I did notice is it doesn't say 7-year battery life. Honestly, I feel sorry for people that they have to do something special just for California. Functionality remains the same with a single alarm, a stopwatch, and the time setting functionality. But one of the biggest and best things about this is that backlight. Check that out. Much brighter, much brighter. And here we can do a side-by-side comparison of the two watches. I think the F-105 is a little bit bigger, possibly due to the module. Want to see a wrist shot of the F-91? Check out my other video.